What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, this is the silver color. This is in the 512 gigabytes of storage version, and this is the box that it comes in right here. So, let's go ahead and get this thing open and take a look at it. This is actually my daughter's phone, and she's allowing me to unbox it. So, big shout out to her for letting me do this. So I'm only just going to be unboxing. I'm not going to be turning it on. And first thing out the box, I can tell you that I do love the color of this device right here. Now I picked up the Air. This is gorgeous right here, man. This is very nice. I do love the color of it. So in the box, you get the cable and nothing else. So this comes in two other colors. It's going to come in that cosmic orange and then a blue color, I think. But yeah, this is dope looking here, man. This has an aluminum frame, and you got your power button there, your camera action button there, your camera button there. I'm not sure what it's called. You got your speakers down here, charging port. You got your action button and your two buttons there for up volume up and down. And then I do like the color scheme here. This is kind of a light color silver. On video it looks white, but right now it looks like a light color silver and maybe light white. Let me turn my light up here and see. So that gives it a little more light there. So it looks white or silver, I'm not sure. And then here's your plateau with your 348 megapixel cameras there, and your other. I think one of them's this is a flash lidar sensor, I think, or whatever. Here's your Apple logo there. But this is just gorgeous, man. I'm not gonna peel this off. I'm gonna let her peel that off. But here it is going around it. I do like the silver color. Seeing it in person, seeing it on video doesn't do this any justice, man. So let's take a look at it next to the iPhone Air. So this is the light gold color and the silver color next to each other. They probably look pretty much the same with my camera that I'm using now, but you guys can see that it is quite a bit bigger than the iPhone Air. This 6.9 display, this is a 6.5. They both have the ceramic shield on the back of them, and this is the way they look. Now the Air feels premium in hand as well. You got the one camera versus the three right there. All 48 megapixel cameras, and here it is in comparison with the thickness. So you can see that this is quite a bit thicker than the Air right here, and they have a ceramic shield on the front of them as well. Now the aluminum versus the titanium, this just feels so much more premium. This is not bad feeling, but here it is, just looking at them all the way around. Here's the bottom of it right here. You guys see? So yeah, that's the comparison. So you either picked up this one, or the regular 17. Not a bad choice all the way around. Apple did a good job this time with the iPhone. So let's take a look at it against the older iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now this is the natural titanium, so you guys get a chance to see the different two gray colors there. Yeah, they both look good. This is going to take some getting used to. The plateau right there, we're so used to this design right here. Pretty much the same size. In fact, the new one seems to be just a hair bit taller than the older one here. Let's see. Let me put them side, since I have a cover on there. Yeah, it's a little bit longer. And yeah, so here it is. And then here's the top. And here's the bottom of them right here. Pretty much the same. They did equal off the speaker holes right there as well. So, but yeah, man, this is it. The iPhone 17 Pro Max. I do like this color. The aluminum feels good. Kind of this two-tone color right here, it's got to grow on you too as well. But anyway, it's unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 17 Pro Max Silver. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.